Welcome YouTubers, this short series to see how good is a $130 printer. So yeah, first video is unboxing. Unboxing looks quite sturdy. So let's open this up and see what we get inside. Instruction book. Some instructions that I can't read, but it's English. Some more warnings, English and Chinese. Some filament, USB cable, some screws, bolts, nuts, and a flash drive. Fitting of some sort. Cover of some sort. Okay. This looks like the printer head itself. And we have the base plate. Yeah. And the box and everything. And the power cord. So you can clearly see that they took great care in shipping. So please make sure no components were damaged. Okay, let's set this out quickly. Okay, so everything is neatly packed out. So we have our instruction book, we have our controller, I'll get the terminology right. We have the base plate and yeah, the various fittings and USB cables and some filament. Okay, so now for the printer setup. So first thing is we take the rotor motor cable through this small mounting hole here at the bottom and slide the unit in to the mounting position right here. So now we bolt down the printer head using the fixing screws to keep it into place. Okay. Use the small nuts provided to tighten the screws. Be sure to drop one underneath the printer. It's tightened with the screwdriver provided. Make sure it's in place. So be sure to take the Z-axis controller cable and connect it to the computer box. Okay, and that's sorted. And we're basically good to go. Make sure your X and Y motor cables are connected as well. Filament assembly, filament holder assembly goes in there and then simply hooks onto this piece here. You can tighten those screws up a bit now we take the filament and put it through folder. Okay, so this concludes the unboxing and the assembly of $130 printer. We're gonna get on the next video, we'll install the software and also see how it prints. I must say, the head itself, the gears, you can see it's there is sturdy workmanship on it. You know, the bed rotates as well, so it has sufficient motors. The printing bed is 100 by 100, so you won't be able to print large scale, but for the purposes of what I'm going to use this for, you know, it's for smaller engineering pieces like gears or yeah. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.